Sabunani Alexandra ophuli sharp. Last number last digit makini komkhulu 13 spanner. Abaziyo bathi neyase Alex bafethu sila 6 route or try say 5. Siye 5 ebuyikutho ngemafletini bafethu. So clean as you mentioned ukuthi manje customer liko brand. So kunabantu abakhonile ukuthi basiza bo African they make sure ukuthi manje izinto zethu sizothola nama plastics nayo yonke into but I'm so disappointed because abantu abahlala khona lana asibaboni.
And akulo ukuthi usebenza no cancel.
Yes, no cancela ukhona. Na ungamveza. Cancela ukhona. Ndihamba nemeya. Then bakhona nabo Snake nabo Heroes business asebenza lana but ke into esingathanda ukisho ukuthi we don't have to wait for a community. We don't have to wait for a cancela or a government ukuthi sisize. Mangaba khona ama plastic singakhona ukuthi senze njani sizicleanele thina ngokwethu because bafethu I health comes first. Or kanjani? Njalo. Danko. Etia la kala ma ayithintsela mo fasa.
Kimang.
Keraba.
Oh, mo bukharet.
Enoba. Maja plastic ayithintsela mo fasa ba plastic.
Sebenzile sesicedile siyabona. Ngibonani phakathi igama lami Rachel Pasha ngihlala khona la ePitso mara kuleya site e6 la sise 5 igate lethu la ngase 5 ePitso flats. We are trying to maintain the place clean and healthy. But sine challenge yokuthi umphakathi ohlala la it's not supportive of this campaign enesiyanceda sinabo bafana iroto le disk but no cancel ukhona usincedile siyabonga for support ngama plastic ibobcats izoza izothwala lezandla and so on siyabonga ukuthi kusasa sicela everybody masithi asicleaneni our own places beze ngama numbers singabi akunamuntu ohlala ngapha kuphela so kusho ukuthi le program ka Rachel I should say but it's fine still ukuthi next time we must get more hands on deck.
Thank you.
Danko.